We went from this disaster to this beautiful, flexible and clean sit-stand desk.
Are you also having troubles managing your cables? Do you sometimes unplug your computer by accident? Look no further, the ultimate cable management guide will solve all these issues for you.
Cable managing can be overwhelming at first, but with the right tools, it can be fast, clean and flexible. The four main components that you need for a clean result are a power strip, a PVC server rack, a monitor arm with cable managers, and releasable cable ties. To keep the desk as flexible as possible, it is important to mount the power strip at the backside of the table. We mounted our power strip with two-sided tape. Also make sure that your power strip has an on and off switch, so it's easy to turn everything on and off. So all your cables of your computer and screen stay connected at the same place. The only cable that is moving is the cable from the power strip into the wall outlet. Also make sure that you have some free spots on your power strips to future-proof your desk. Next we will install the PVC server rack cable manager. This will help organize all your cables and make it look super clean. You can buy it in any DIY or electric shop. I also found one on Amazon as well. Link is in the description below. I think it's fairly inexpensive and it gives you the most value for your money. It hides all your cables and it looks very clean and organized. If it happens that you need to run your cable somewhere else, know that it is possible, because the server rack has small gaps to route your cables through it. To create more space on your desk, I would suggest to remove the original monitor stand and replace it with monitor arms. Make sure that the monitor arms have cable managers, so it's easy to tuck away your monitor cables. I use releasable cable ties mostly for grouping my cables, especially on places where I cannot benefit from the server rack. For example, behind my PC and for cabling my microphone arm. If you follow all these steps, your desk should look like this. I hope you could benefit from this video. If you have any other tips that we don't know about, feel free to post them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you guys for the next time. Ciao!
Are you also having troubles managing your cables? Do you sometimes unplug your computer by accident? Look no further, the ultimate cable management guide will solve all these issues for you.